Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Well, I was not careful and I did not wear sunscreen, so I got burned by the sun. And so besides wearing your mask when you're out and washing your hands, because the sun can be really, really hot and your skin might be more sensitive than you think so, you should probably have some sunscreen on. Ask your mommy or daddy, big brother, friend to help you get some sunscreen and protect your skin. All right? This is Teacher Zola from the School of Healing Martial Arts in Long Beach, California. And Dr. Daniel Hoover is the instructor and creator of the school. Today, I want to talk about the 8 energies. Now, we know about running energy and we know walking energy perhaps, but there's 8 energies regarding Tai Chi. And the easiest way I can do is tell you that there is Peng, which is ward off. Remember when we talked about ward off? So that's Peng, right? Peng. And then Lu is a rolling back. So again, for ward off, we often say ward off. Ward off. For ward off, Lu is rolling back. Then Qi is pressing. It's 2 directions, one going this way, one going that way, going in the same direction. Okay? So you have a force coming this way, force coming that way, but they're all both going in the same direction, like a press, to press. So again, ward off, Peng, 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 ward off, Peng, ward off, Lu, roll back. Then we have Qi, which is a press. And then we have Peng, which is a push. So I want you to get those 4 primary energies of Peng, Lu, Qi, and Han. So I haven't written here for you, so you can take it down and try to remember when we're doing the energies. And they're throughout the Tai Chi form, as you will see this energy, this motion. And it's not just the arms, but it's the body as well. And so you've got to try to remember this because it helps you in improving your form, right? So I had promised that we would talk about the 8 energies for the next class, and this is our next class. So let us do the form, and there are 4 other energies, but right now I wanted you to try to get to know the 4 primary ones. Peng, Lu, Qi, and Han. Now, let's do the form, all right? 24 Tai Chi. And let's open up, stepping out to your left, arms come up, roll your shoulders, bend your knees as your arms come down. Shifting your weight to the right, opening up that left toe. Reach over. Make sure that your arms are bent. Don't lean too far. Just reach over, grab your ball, and bring it in. Stepping out and back. This is party while horses neck. Shift back. Grab your ball. Step out to your right. Right hand goes up, left hand goes down. Party while horses neck. Let's go over to the right. Grab your ball. Stepping out, parting while horses may. We're going to come up and we got the ball, do that empty step, right? And we're doing white crane spreads its wings. We're going to block to the left. We're going to block to the right. We're going to step out, brush knee, twist step. In the center, sure it's in the center, shift back, breathing in as we come up, breathing out as we go forward. Brush knee, twist step. Breathing in, breathing out. We strung the loop, and Repulse Monkey. Don't pull the arm back. Make sure you have the space under your right here, under the armpit. Make sure there's a space. So from here, you drop the arm. You drop the arm. Don't pull the arm back. Drop the arm, okay? Drop the arm back. Step back left, go out, drop the arm back. Step right, drop the arm back. Step left, drop the arm back. Step right, drop the arm back. Remember, talked about the hand changes. So then this hand is on top. This hand comes under to gather the ball to bring it in. Now we're stepping up and we ward off. Peng, Lu, Ji, and on. Roll right. Got the ball again. We're stepping out. Peng, Lu, Ji, back, and on. So it's in both directions. We're going to do single whip. The other moves encompass other parts of the 8 energies, but right now we're focusing on just the first 4 primary ones. This is wave hands. Wave hands like clouds, or just wave hands. Then left shoulder back, right shoulder back. And when you do the shoulder back, the hips also move. Come out, step out, and pat. There's an empty step. I pat on horse. I pat on horse. Like you're patting a horse in the head. Okay? You avoid the sweep. Put it down. Gathering up your energy. Breathing in. Breathing out. Come down. Hit opponent's ears with both fists. Open your hands. Around. Breathing in. Breathing out. And snake moves to the grass. Forward. Shoot back. Adjust it. Make sure that you can balance yourself. You're going to come up on your left leg for rooster stand or stork stand. Okay? Come down. You grab the branch again. You step out. You don't have to go down as far. If you can go down just a little bit. You don't have to go all the way down. But if you can go down just a little bit, opening up the right foot, let the snake go through. Come back. Get your balance. Get your balance. And come up again for rooster stand. Step over to the left. Gray lady shuttles to the right. Come back. Gray lady shuttles to the left. Empty step. Needle at the bottom of the C. Pan back. And turn. Parry. And punch. Roll forward. Clear the arm. As you go back. Press. Push. Say on. come around and come down for closing form. Okay? So that's the 24 Tai Chi Yang as we practice it at Soma. One of the things I wanted to point out with wave hands that we haven't talked about is when you get ready for wave hands, for those who have balance issues, especially, be sure you don't have both feet together. All right? Make sure that there's some space so that you don't have to, you won't be falling. You lose your balance. Okay? Make sure there's some space between your feet just to be on the safe side. Just to be on the safe side. Okay? And I'll face you this way. You'll see. And step out, turning the waist. Left, right foot in. Step out left. Bringing the right foot in. Step out left. Bringing the right foot in. Again, just to make sure, you know, if you're young, very young, maybe you won't fall if both feet are together. But it's very rare in martial arts, I would think, perhaps never, that your feet are totally together because somebody could come and sweep you. And that would not be good. Well, I wanted to also talk about your kicks, all right? So that we talked about the 4 primary energies, of 8 energies. Peng, Peng, Lu, Qi, and An. Like push out. On, in. All right. So with your kicks, I've talked about maybe making a design on the ground if you can, and so that you have one foot in one direction, and you're going to try to kick at a 45-degree angle. So when you come up and come out, come out, you try to make sure that you're rooted. So again, you want the arm and the leg to be in a similar direction, in the same direction. So again, breathing in. Breathing out. And start low, okay? Start low. So when, you know, as you get used to with your balance, you want to go up and out. You know, up, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. It's sort of a rainbow, sort of a bow that you do with your hands for balance. Okay? So again, you don't have to go up high. You can only go a little off of the ground. That's okay. It's the idea, the concept of the kick. And it doesn't have to be way up high. Some of the young and talented folks kick all the way up there. But I'm not asking you to do that. Just asking you to get up and move because it helps your body in so many ways. They're finding out that exercise helps you develop new brain cells. Isn't that amazing? And as you get older, you certainly, definitely can appreciate having more brain cells. And so that you can do more reading and have more fun in life. Because that's important. I hope that Tasha, you're exercising. I hope that Malana is learning the 8 brocades so that she can teach the next time, maybe even a children's class, teach the 8 brocades, as well as the beginning of the 24 form, because she's a smart girl. Ava, are you swimming, or dancing, reading, drawing, all of that? Mariana, Are you exercising? Are you getting up and taking a walk every day? How about that? That's important. Alfred, you taking care of yourself? And what about you, James? Are you taking care of yourself too? And Master Tom, are you exercising? I'm trying to do it every day, but like I said the other day, I got my arms all burnt from the sun when we got up early to exercise, Teacher Odie and I. Well, I think we've covered as much as we're going to cover today. I'm hoping that you are exercising at least 3 times a week, because that's important. If you don't exercise, if you don't get up, then your body will want to stay at rest. And you want to get up so that your body can stay in motion, or as long as you want to stay in motion, right? So again, real quick, what's this? What's this? Pong. And coming back, just roll back. Blue. And G. Split, split. And on. Facing you, okay? It's not just the hands, it's also the body movement. But right now we're just showing the upper body, okay? So we're stepping out. Home. Blue. G. And on. Now, hope you can appreciate learning 4 new words in your vocabulary. I hope that you are practicing your Tai Chi every day, and hopefully your Qigong too. We can say that of the 8 energies, they're very similar, as one would say, to Qigong. So it's good to practice it with the knowledge of the movement as well as the breathing, because breathing is really important if you're going to stay around here, right? Well, every day, in every way, I know you're getting better because you're trying. The fact that you're here with me and we're enjoying this beautiful day. I had to wait till it got a little bit cooler, though, because, like I said, the sun was burning me too much. But get out, enjoy. Hopefully you have an area around your home or a nearby park. But if you go out too far, be sure to wear your mask, be sure to wash your hands, and be sure to be happy that you have another day to explore life. Well, I think Teacher Odie's calling me. Oh, we soon will be talking about kicking, the different aspects of kicking, but that's later. Bye for now.